Hey CB Learn. This is a tutorial for how to use AutoDraw.com. So this is a website. There's no need for an account. There's no need to sign in. You just come to the website and you can draw simple but effective pictures and drawings really easily. So this is just going to teach you about the tools to use. So the big thing about AutoDraw is that you use this pencil. So this little magic AutoDraw pencil uses artificial intelligence to create a drawing that you might want to draw. So I'm going to draw a quick car. So if I click on that tool, and you'll notice my color is black right now, I'm going to draw a car just with my pencil. And then as I draw that car, you're going to notice some different drawings pop up at the top of the screen. So there's my car, and now you can see a whole bunch of different vehicles that I can choose from. Now let's just say I wanted that to be a police car. There is a version of my police car. And then I can go in and color this. So I might want to draw, or I might want to color it. So I've clicked on the paint, change the color, and I'm going to color the car blue like that. And then I can color the other parts too. So it only allows you to color certain parts, but that's just how AutoDraw works. So, I need to change that back to white. I'm going to fill the background white. I'm going to select my car and delete it. If I want to use a text, I click on T. My different types of fonts are up here. That you'll notice that there's not many to choose from. So you can play around and learn what those fonts look like. So I click here. I'm going to type my name. It's white, so it's not going to show up. I'm going to just, so there it is there. I'm going to click that white and you should see my name appear. Maybe not. Okay, so I'm going to try that again. Back. Make that bigger. It's a little different than some drawing apps, but it's fairly easy to use once you get to know it. So now I might want to duplicate this. So if I want to duplicate it, you can learn the shortcuts from clicking the menu button at the top, and then you can look at shortcuts, and then the shortcuts appear on the screen here. Now to duplicate something, it's Alt and drag. So I'm going to use Alt and drag. So on my keyboard, it's a Mac keyboard, it says Option and Alt. So I'm just going to hold down Option and drag it out, and you notice a different color. So I'm going to change that to purple. And then that's going to sit over the top there, and then it'll be like a shadow. So I'm creating an effect. I'm going to do that again. And I'm going to change that to yellow. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, so I've got a double effect there. So there you go. So I've made a simple graphic using my name, duplicating it 3 times and changing the color. When you're ready, when you've finished your drawing, it's really important that you choose download. There's no way to save it online. You need to make sure that you actually download it. So once I click download, it will save that to my computer. And you'll notice I've used the whole page, or as much of the page as I can. You just want to make sure that you do that. And then you can trim it down and change the shape of it later. But you can also see the different size of the papers here that you can change at the start of your drawing. Okay, I hope you enjoy AutoDraw. That's a quick tutorial. I hope that's useful.